Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal. We stopped this payment to keep you safe. Let's begin. First, go to the official website, and once you have successfully logged in, on your screen, I want you to click on Help right over here. And here on the search bar, type Limited, right? Limited, and then select this option, Why is my PayPal account limited? Click on it and go to the Resolution Center. I've clicked, and over this page, it will be listed in here if they will be needing any documents or any other information or extra steps for you to verify, confirm your account. But if there's nothing showing up just like this, you're good to go. Now, if that doesn't work on your case, then the last step would be to go to your wallet, click over here, and then on the wallet page, just simply re-add your bank or credit cards, and once that's done, that will most likely trigger the verification process, fixing this payment issues you're currently experiencing in PayPal. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.